welcome back to another episode of Volkswagen Puzzles. In today's episode, we're going to continue to get the rest of the heat channel out the passenger side of my 1964 Volkswagen Beetle. Alright, so if you're not familiar with what we're doing, yesterday in the last episode, we got rid of the rest of this front, the rest of the old head channel so the newer can go in. And today, we're going to be doing the back, get the rest of the head channel out of the back so the newer can go in. Alright, so first we're going to drill out these spot welds here to get the rest of the head channel out and do a bit of work there. Alright, so we got a lot of the metal out from under here. We've drilled out all the spot welds and we used the oxy to cut that bit of head channel out where we couldn't get the grinder in. We've still got the rest of this here, a bit there, and we've also got the rest behind this. But other than that, all of the old heater channel is out. Alright, so I think we might be just about done with the oxy. That bit there still needs a bit more to come out, as you can see. But like it's left a bit of a mess. But all of that's gone. So we might just give it a quick grind, with our flat disc or whatever. If you look up in there, it's all gone. But yeah, just a bit here left, which I don't know how we'll get that out. But yeah, We did have a bit of fire here before, because there was a bit of a bog in there that caught fire and burnt a little bit of my paint. But yeah. Alright, I gave that a quick clean up there. It's all smooth, except up there. But yeah, I couldn't really get any of this there out. But yeah. Alright, since that last bit of work I just did, I've been interrupted for about half of the day. So I haven't had that much time to really work on it, except what you've seen in the video already. But we've got about probably an hour tonight. Let's try and do some things. I didn't have much time as planned, but it is what it is. Anyway. Alright, so we believe all of this is cut out. Same up the front. So the heater channel can just about go in. We couldn't get it all the way in because this flange hit on the this thing. So we got the old pipe there, which has a little dent in it. Try and knock that out. We reckon we might put that in there and run that. Another kind of thing we might change is the standards don't have the outlets, which should be on that side. We're thinking put 2 deluxe ones in either side, but maybe just have a cover plate, and then you can always put the piece in to have rear heating. But yeah, yeah. Alright, I'm wrapping things up now. Today's day was a bit shorter than I hoped. We got less than half a day to work on things. Did get that backside out, which is good. One thing I'd like to kind of announce is I'm going to be doing 1 video a weekend across the 2 days instead of 2. You know, more would happen in 1 video, I guess, across the 2 days, because like today, nothing really interesting happened, just a bit came out. But, I mean, it's progress, every bit helps. But yeah, I'll probably be doing that. I'll see if my storage will be good with it, you know, it's doubled storage, because it's across the 2 days 1 video, but I guess the editing would be better. But yeah, thank you all for watching.